everybody, this is Balto Racing, and here it is, the big snowstorm of 2009 here in the Washington, D.C. region. It started about a half an hour ago, and as you can see, the roads are beginning to take the snow in effect, already below freezing, around 29 degrees right now. The plan is tomorrow, pretty much show the neighborhood, see how much snow is falling, give you a good picture of the Baltimore-Washington Parkway to give a fair assessment. That'll be tomorrow morning.
Post up on the TV website, on the news websites.
Mm-hmm. Let me just tell you, by the way, that the snow is literally piling on my face right now. It feels like ice pellets. Just want to show you a quick difference between the Baltimore-Washington Parkway and a side street. Honestly, it is basically a day to night difference here. I've seen a Metro bus come. just want to show everybody pretty much the after effects of this big blizzard. About 17 inches around the Capitol Heights area, pretty much northeast DC. All the major thoroughfares are just, they look ugly. The side roads are just, they're awful. So it's going to be a long time for this area to dig out of this. Certainly one for the record books. The biggest snowstorm in December history in Washington, D.C., probably in the top 10 all time. So what a storm. What a storm.